chemistry lecture. In last lecture, we studied the significant figure and example based on significant figure and rounding off concept and example based on rounding off. Next, we start in introduction to analytical chemistry. Next point, percentage composition of different element present in compound. And next, molecular formula and empirical formula of compound. So, we start the new concept, percentage composition of different compound, means element present in different compound. If different scientists contributed and synthesizing new compound or discovering a new compound, which leads to find out the percentage, which leads to find out or determination of constituent element which is present in compound. So modern technique are microwave and infrared, ultraviolet, Raman spectroscopy. With the help of modern technique, we find out the determination of constituent element which is present in compound. But simpler method which consists the analysis of compound which leads to determination of constituent element which is present in a compound. So, we find out the percentage composition of any element which is present in a compound. First, we require a chemical formula. So, for example, ethanol or ethyl alcohol. For example, ethanol or ethyl alcohol. We find out first chemical formula, then we find out the determination of different element which is present in a compound. So we find out percentage composition of different element which is present in a compound. So chemical formula of ethanol or ethyl alcohol means C2H5OH. C2H5OH. परसेंटेज कंपोजिशन फाइंड आउट करने के लिए फर्स्ट जो इसेंशियल है वो केमिकल फॉर्मूला, और केमिकल फॉर्मूला जनरली वी नो बट यू कैन मतलब अननोन एलिमेंट और अननोन कंपाउंड, सो वी गिवन द केमिकल फॉर्मूला इन एग्जांपल. सो फर्स्ट इथेनॉल और इथाइल अल्कोहल में C2H5OH. So first we calculate the molar mass of compound or molecular mass of compound. Molar mass, which is also known as molecular mass of compound. So first in ethanol 2 carbon atom present. So first 2 carbon atom into atomic mass of carbon plus 5 plus 1 6 hydrogen atom into atomic mass of hydrogen atom plus 1 oxygen atom into atomic mass of oxygen atom. 1 oxygen atom into atomic mass of oxygen atom. So 2 atom of carbon into atomic mass of carbon 12. Atomic mass of carbon 12 plus 6 into atomic mass of hydrogen 1. जो एटॉमिक मास है एलिमेंट का वो कंपलसरी लर्न करने. एटॉमिक नंबर फॉर एग्जांपल कार्बन एटॉमिक नंबर 6 एंड एटॉमिक मास व्हिच इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली डबल. सो 1 to first 1 to 20 element learn atomic number and atomic mass of compound. So 6 atom of hydrogen into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Next 1 atom of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen 6. So first 12 to the 24 plus 6 1 the 6 plus 16 1 the 60. So 20 plus 24 plus 6 30. 30 plus 16 46 gram. Molar or molecular mass of ethanol is 46 gram. Next we find out the percentage of carbon element which is present in compound ethyl alcohol. So percentage of how to find out the percentage of each constituent element which is present in compound. First formula, atomic mass of element. So element is carbon. So atomic mass of carbon upon molar mass of compound into 100. First, percentage composition formula. Of each element. So atomic mass of element upon molar mass of compound into 100. First, percentage composition of each element formula, which is equal to atomic mass of element upon molar mass of compound into 100%. So we find out the percentage of first element which is present in ethanol, carbon. So percentage of carbon, atomic mass of carbon is how many atoms which is present in ethanol of? So 2 atoms. So 2 into 12, 24 gram. So 2 atoms present of carbon into atomic mass of carbon upon molar mass of compound 46 gram. So 2 into carbon atomic mass is 12 upon 46 into 100. So 2 into 12, 24 gram upon molar mass of ethanol 46 gram into 100. So on calculating this value, we get percentage of carbon is 52.11%, which is present in ethanol carbon. Percentage of carbon which is present in ethanol, how many percentage? 52.11% present in ethanol compound. Next, percentage of second element, hydrogen. So first formula, atomic mass of hydrogen, how many atoms which is present in compound? 6. So 6 atoms of hydrogen present in compound into atomic mass of hydrogen upon molar mass of compound 46 gram into 100 into 100. So 6 atoms which is present in ethanol, 6 hydrogen atom which is present in ethanol. Atomic mass of hydrogen into 1, atomic mass of hydrogen 1 upon molar mass of compound 46 gram into 100. So 6 1 is 6 upon 46. 6 1 is 6 upon molar mass 46 into 100. On calculating, we get 30.05%. On calculating this equation, we get the percentage of hydrogen 30.05, which is present in ethanol. Percentage of hydrogen is 30.05% of hydrogen, which is present in ethanol. Next, last element, percentage of oxygen. Percentage of oxygen. First, how many atoms which is present in compound? 1 atom. So 1 atom of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen upon molar mass is 46 gram into 100. So 1 into 60 upon 46 into 100. So 16 divided by 46 into 100. So on calculating the value we get, the percentage is 34.70% of oxygen which is present in ethanol compound. First, new concept, percentage composition. Percentage composition. So modern technique we use Raman spectroscopy, ultraviolet. With the help of instrument, we find out the different percentage of element which is present in compound. compound, but simpler method to find out the analysis of compound of different percentage composition of each element which is present in compound. So first formula, atomic mass of element upon molar mass of compound into 100. So first we require the essential, means first we essential the chemical formula of compound. Chemical formula of compound. So first chemical formula of compound, for example ethanol, chemical formula C2H5OH. C2H5OH. Ethanol, which is also called as ethyl alcohol. Next, we calculate the molar mass of ethanol or molecular mass of ethanol compound. So generally we know study how to calculate the molar mass of compound. So how many atoms which is present in compound into atomic mass of element. So carbon 2 atoms which is present in compound into atomic mass of carbon 12 plus 6 atom which is present in compound into atomic mass of hydrogen 1 plus 1 atom of oxygen which is present in compound into atomic mass of oxygen is 60. So 2 into 12, 24 gram, 6 ones are 6 gram of hydrogen, 1 into 16, 16 gram of oxygen. So 24 plus 6 plus 16. So we get 46 gram molar mass of ethanol or molecular mass of ethanol. So we first find out different constituent element which is present in compound. So first find out percentage composition of carbon. Percentage composition of carbon element. So 2 into atomic mass of carbon. So 2 into 12, 24 gram upon molar mass of compound 46 gram into 100. So on calculating this value we get 52.11 percentage of carbon which is present in ethanol compound. Next, percentage of hydrogen element. So 6 atom of hydrogen which is present in compound into atomic mass of hydrogen divided by molar mass of compound 46. So 6 upon 46 into 100. On calculating we get 13.05 percentage of hydrogen which is present in ethanol compound. Next, percentage of oxygen element. So one oxygen atom which is present in element into atomic mass 16. So 16 ones are 16 divided by 46 molar mass of compound into 100. So 16 divided by 46 into 100 we get 34.70 percentage of oxygen which is present in compound ethanol. Next important point, percentage composition of different element which is present in compound. So percentage on adding of different element percentage, for example 52.11 percentage of carbon. Next, percentage of hydrogen 13.0 percentage of hydrogen. Next, percentage of oxygen 34.17. On adding these three values, first 6 plus 6 12 plus 30 means 7 plus 5 12 plus 1 30. 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. Decimal point. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 4 9. 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9. So we get 99.33%. Sum of percentage of different constituent element which is always equal to 100%. Which is always equal to 100%. Means any compound different element is present. So percentage of different element, addition of different element percentage we get which is equal to 100%. Which is equal to 100%. Next example on the basis of percentage composition. So second question, calculate the mass of different constituent element in urea. So we first know the chemical formula or molecular formula of urea. So chemical formula of urea is CO in bracket NH2 twice. CO in bracket NH2 twice. So simplified we get carbon, oxygen one element and nitrogen one element, but into 2. So nitrogen 2 or hydrogen 2 element in bracket and outside bracket 2. So 2 2s are 4. So total hydrogen element is 4. formula we get CON2H4, which is chemical formula of urea. So we first calculate the different constituent each element which is present in compound. So first calculate the molar mass of urea or molecular mass of urea. So atomic mass is given as atomic mass of first carbon 12, oxygen 16, nitrogen 14 and hydrogen 1. Atomic mass of different element which is present in compound. Carbon 12, oxygen 16, nitrogen 14, hydrogen 1. So molar mass of urea, how many moles of carbon atom which is present in urea? 1. So 1 into atomic mass of carbon plus 1 atom of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen plus 2 atom of nitrogen into atomic mass of nitrogen plus 4 atoms of hydrogen into atomic mass of hydrogen. So 1 into atomic mass of carbon 12 plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen 16 plus 2 into atomic mass of nitrogen 14 plus 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen 1. So on calculating this value, 12 ones are 12, 16 ones are 16 plus 14 twos are 28 and 4 ones are 4. So adding this 4 value we get 12 plus 16, 12 plus 16 plus 28 plus 4. So 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. We get 60 gram of urea. Molar mass of urea is 60 gram. Next, we find out percentage of each element. So first element is carbon. So percentage of carbon. First find out the percentage composition of carbon element. So we know the formula of percentage composition. Atomic mass of element means, for example, carbon into molar mass of compound means urea. Compound urea into 100. So how many atoms which is present in carbon? Only one atom. So 1 into atomic mass of carbon. So 1 into atomic mass of carbon, 1 into 12, 12 upon molar mass of urea is 60 into 100. So 0, 0 get cancelled. 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12. So 2 tens are 20%. 20% of carbon which is present in urea. Next, percentage of oxygen. So first, how many atoms which is present in urea? Only one atom contribute in this compound, or only one atom which is present in compound. So 1 into atomic mass of oxygen 16 upon molar mass of urea, 60 gram into 100. So 16 ones are 16 upon 46 into 100. So on calculating this value, 16 atomic mass of oxygen. So how many atoms which is present in urea? 1. So 1 into 16, 16. Atom molar mass of compound 60 gram into 100. So 0, 0 get cancelled. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 4 remaining. So decimal point. So 6 6 are 36. So again 4 remaining. So 6 6 are. So 2.66 into 10. So we get 26.66. we get percentage of oxygen 26.66% present in urea. Next, percentage of nitrogen element, percentage of nitrogen element. So how many atoms present in urea? So 2 atoms of nitrogen into atomic mass of nitrogen 14 divided by molar mass of compound 16 into 100. So 14 to the 28 upon 16 into 100. So 0 0 get cancelled. 6 1 the 6. 6 4 the 24, remaining 4. So 0 on decimal count. 6 6 are 36. Again 4 remaining. So 6 6 are 36. So 4.66 into 10. So we get percentage of nitrogen 46.66%. We get 46.66% of nitrogen which is present in urea. Next, last element which is present in urea is hydrogen. So hydrogen, how many atoms of hydrogen which is present in compound? So total number of hydrogen is 4. So 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen 1 upon molar mass of compound 16 into 100. So 4 ones are 4 upon 60 into 100. So 0 0 get cancel out. 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 1 remaining, so 0. So 3 3 are 9. So 2 into 3.3. So 2 into 3.3. So 2 3 are 6. So approximately percentage of hydrogen is 6.67% which is present in urea. 6.67% of hydrogen which is present in urea. And some of different percentage which is present in compound which is always equal to 100%. So some of percentage composition. First, carbon is 20. Next, percentage of oxygen is 26.66. Next, third element is nitrogen. Percentage of nitrogen is 46.66 and percentage of hydrogen is 6.67. So addition of this different percentage composition. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. So carry over 1. So 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. Decimal point. 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 3s are 18. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So we get 98.99 means which is approximately equal to 100%. Which is approximately equal to 100%. So first, mass percentage of different constituent element which is present in urea. So first chemical formula CONH2 bracket wise. So simplified we get CO N2H4. First calculate the molar mass of urea. We get 60 gram of urea. Next, mass percentage of first element carbon. So 12 upon 60 into 100. We get 20% of carbon which is present in urea. Next, percentage of oxygen. 16 upon 60 into 100. So we get 26.66% of oxygen which is present in urea. Next, percentage of nitrogen. So 28 divided by 60 into 100. So we get 46.66% of nitrogen which is present in urea. Or percentage of hydrogen, 4 divided by 60 into 100, we get 6.67% of hydrogen present in urea. And sum of this percentage which is approximately equal to 100%. Next, third example which is based on percentage composition. So third example question, phosphoric acid is widely used in detergent, toothpaste, fertilizer, and calculate the mass percentage of hydrogen, phosphorus and oxygen in phosphoric acid. Chemical formula H3PO4. If atomic masses are hydrogen 1, phosphorus 31 and oxygen 16. So calculate different element which is present in phosphoric acid. So first, phosphoric acid chemical formula H3PO4. Chemical formula, molecular formula is H3PO4. First we find out the molar mass of phosphoric acid or molecular mass of phosphoric acid. So 3 atoms of hydrogen. 3 atoms of hydrogen into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 plus 1 atom of phosphorus into atomic mass of phosphorus is 31 plus 4 atoms of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen 16. So 3 ones are 3 plus 31 ones are 31 plus 16 fours are 64. So adding these three values we get 31 plus 3 34, 34 plus 64 we get 98 gram. We get 98 gram molar mass or molecular mass of phosphoric acid is H3PO4. So calculate the mass percentage of hydrogen, phosphorus and oxygen. So first element, percentage of hydrogen. So formula, atomic mass of hydrogen upon molar mass of compound into 100. So atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. And how many atoms which is contributed in compound? 3. So 3 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 upon molar or molecular mass of compound phosphoric acid 98 into 100. So 3 ones are 3 divided by 98 into 100. So on calculating we get 3.06 percentage of hydrogen. 3.06 percentage of hydrogen present in phosphoric acid. Means simplify we get 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6, remaining 2. So 0 and decimal point. So 3 6 are 18, remaining 2. So again. So 100 upon 32.66. 100 upon 32.66. We get 3.066 value. 3.066 means 32.66. So decimal point shift means 100 upon 32.66. So we get 3.26 percentage of hydrogen present in phosphoric acid. Present in phosphoric acid. So next element, percentage of phosphorus. So 1 atoms of phosphorus into atomic mass of phosphorus is 1 into atomic mass of phosphorus 31 divided by molar mass of phosphoric acid 98 gram into 100. So 31 under 31 divided by 98 into 100. So on calculating this value we get 31.63 percentage of phosphorus present in phosphoric acid. Next, percentage of oxygen. Percentage of oxygen. So 4 atoms of oxygen which is present in phosphoric acid into atomic mass of oxygen 60 divided by molar mass of phosphoric acid 98 into 100. So 16 4s are 64 divided by 98 into 100. On calculating we get 65.31 percentage of oxygen which is present in urea. First, again explain this example. First, phosphoric acid which is used in detergent, toothpaste, fertilizer. Calculate the mass percentage of hydrogen, phosphorus and oxygen which is present in phosphoric acid. If atomic masses are hydrogen which is equal to 1, phosphorus which is equal to 31 and oxygen 16. So first, phosphoric acid chemical formula H3PO4. Next, we find out the molar or molecular mass of H3PO4 means phosphoric acid. So 3 atoms of hydrogen into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So 3 ones are 3. 1 atoms of phosphorus into atomic mass of phosphorus, 31 ones are 31. And 4 atoms of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen, so 16 fours are 64. So adding these 3 values, we get 98 gram of molar mass of phosphoric acid. Next, we find out the percentage of different element. Means, for example, first element is present hydrogen. So percentage of hydrogen 3 into 1, 3 upon molar mass 98 into 100. So on calculating, we get 3.26 percentage of hydrogen which is present in phosphoric acid. Next, percentage of phosphorus. So 1 atom of phosphorus into atomic mass of phosphorus, 31 ones are 31, divided by molar mass of compound 98 into 100. So on calculating, we get 31.63 percentage of phosphorus which is present in phosphoric acid. Next, percentage of oxygen. So how many atoms present in phosphoric acid? 4 atoms. So 4 into atomic mass of 60 divided by 98 into 100. So 16 fours are 64 divided by 98 into 100. On calculating, we get 65.31 percentage of oxygen which is present in phosphoric acid. And sum of this percentage of hydrogen, percentage of phosphorus and percentage of oxygen, we get approximately 100%. Approximately 100%. Sum of percentage of hydrogen, phosphorus and oxygen, we get 100%. Approximately 100%. Next, homework question. First question, calculate the mass percentage composition of element in nitric acid. So, we calculate the first mass percentage of different element in nitric acid. Nitric acid chemical or molecular formula is HNO3. Nitric acid chemical formula HNO3. And atomic mass are given: hydrogen which is equal to 1, nitrogen which is equal to 14 and oxygen 6. So we first calculate the molar mass of nitric acid. First calculate the molar or molecular mass of nitric acid. Then we find out the different percentage composition which is present in different element. So first, percentage of hydrogen which is equal to 1 atom of hydrogen into atomic mass of hydrogen divided by molar mass of compound into 100. So we get percentage of hydrogen. Next, percentage of nitrogen. So number of atom which is present in nitric acid, only 1. 1 into atomic mass of nitrogen divided by molar mass of nitrogen, molar mass of compound into 100. So we get percentage of nitrogen. Next, percentage of oxygen. How many atoms which is present in nitric acid? 3. So 3 into atomic mass of oxygen. So 16 3s are 48 divided by molar mass of nitric acid into 100. So we get percentage of oxygen. This is your homework question. Next, question number 5, homework question. Calculate the mass percentage composition of sodium carbonate. So first, chemical formula of sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Na2CO3. First, we find out the molar mass or molecular mass of sodium carbonate. So atomic mass are given as Na means sodium which is equal to 23, carbon 12, oxygen 16. So first calculate the molar or molecular mass of compound means sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Next, we find out the different percentage of composition element which is present in sodium carbonate. So first, percentage of sodium. So 2 into atomic mass of sodium divided by molar mass of compound into 100. So we get percentage of nitrogen. Similarly, we calculate the percentage of carbon and oxygen. These two questions is your homework question. So solve this homework question. If you have any queries, so ask me in doubt session. In this lecture, we study the percentage composition. Percentage composition means different constituent element which is present in compound. So first, given the formula of percentage composition. So percentage composition of element which is equal to atomic mass of element upon molar mass of compound into 100%, and important note, sum of percentage of composition, which is always equal to or approximately equal to 100%. Thank you.